Welcome back. Makazan Panchayat office was finally opened after 2 days amidst commotion and police force on Wednesday. Panch members have alleged that Secretary Sharda Vilgekar has manipulated minutes of 29th November Panchayat meeting. Some residents claim that Sarpanch Agnello Di Costa never assaulted Sharda. She is still at hospicio with anticipatory bail plea of Sarpanch and his brother is slated for hearing on 18 December.
Makazan Panchayat witnessed some heated movements again on Wednesday. Panch member Joki Barreto and majority of people wanted to open the Panchayat premises, but they faced opposition of a group of Makazankars. This led to commotion. Finally, amidst police presence, the Panchayat was opened by the peon. Panch member Joki Barreto has called Secretary Sharda Vilgekar a manipulator.
At the end of the meeting, you mark a line and you sign it. And कितका म्हणल्यार ते सरपंच जेन्ना तो बुक चलता आसतना तेणें ही लायन कातुल्लो हातीत थयला सिग्नेचर बी फोडलो हातीत थयला आनी हे तेणें एडिशन केला हे एडिशन केलें तें आमी मिटिंगेक घेवंकूच ना हे तेणें सारकें फॉर्जरी केल्या कित्याक हिका प्रपोज बाय आग्नेल डी कोस्टा आनी सेकेंडेड बाय जोकीम बारेटो म्हणून आहा हांव केन्ना उलयलो ना ह्या पॉयंटाचेर आनी मिटिंग आमगे डिस्कस जाल्लें ना.
Some residents claim that the alleged assault on Sharda Vilgekar never took place.
हितून पंचायती लोक ना हिंगाची कोण नाही हांवें रोयन ते बसून आसलोले सारके आनी ते उपरांत पडले
तो राती स्कूटर घेवन येयला येतरी बसवला सेक्रेटरी टेबलाचेर बसोवन आहा सारकी टेबलाचेर बसोवन आहा आनी हांव ते पडले बेश्टी एश कोन्न रोटा उपरांत ते कोणें सांगिला तूं दम कर म्हूण आनी ती उपरांत टेबला वयली सकयल पडल्या.
Kurtori police headed by PI Siddhant Shirodkar conducted Panchanama at Makazan Panchayat. Joint Mamledar of Salsit John Fernandez and BDO Uday Prabhudesai were also present. The bail plea of Sarpanch Agnello Di Costa and his brother will be heard at Madgaon Sessions Court on 18 December. Secretary Sharda Vilgekar is still at hospicio. Our reporter from Makazan, Savio Dias.
Parents are the sole authority to decide on the medium of instruction for their children. This was stated by Solicitor General of India Rohinton Nariman, who argued for the state on Wednesday in the MOI matter. He also mentioned that grants can't be withheld if parents choose English as medium of instruction.
Solicitor General of India Rohinton Nariman put forth his arguments in the medium of instruction issue at the Bombay High Court at Goa. Making a special appearance for the state, Nariman put forth the following points before the court. He said that the petition is a private interest litigation rather than a public interest litigation. Parents are the sole authority to decide the medium of instruction for their child under Rule 6 of Goa Education Rules. Circular only mentions release of grants to primary schools with English as medium of instruction. Can't withhold grants if parents choose English as medium of instruction. No permission required from Director of Education to open new classes. Circular sufficient. Circular also mentions Konkani Marathi classes will continue as per earlier dispensation. Agrees there will be financial implications but Cabinet on its own can decide on this. Not mandatory for any expert advice or any other consultation. Director of Education can decide on students who opt for Konkani Marathi by absorbing them in adjoining schools. Urge the court to take into account the child's trauma while deciding the issue. The hearing on the matter will continue on Thursday. A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Foreigners are annoyed with the visa regulations in India. They claim that they are interested in spending holidays and retirement life in India, but visa regulations in the country force them to spend their valuable time in other countries. Indo-German Friendship Society of Goa will address this problem during Cultural Week in the state.
Indo-German Friendship Society of Goa will host its 4th German Cultural Week in Goa from 6 to 11 December. During this year's Cultural Week, Society would address the problems faced by foreigners with regards to visa regulations. They informed that many countries in Southeast Asia have devised special regulations for this group of retired foreigners, unlike India.
Especially for retired people, other countries in Southeast Asia create a lot of preferable circumstances for people, let's say, above 50 or 55 years of age, and if they have an income proof, if they have good health insurance. So countries like the Philippines, like Indonesia or so, they create really special offers for retired people, which India doesn't do.
They claim that these visa regulations affect their personal relationships and life.
My boyfriend is working in India since the beginning of the month, and he has a working visa. And I tried to get a visa for the entire period, so he's staying here for 15 months. And I tried to get a visa, and it's called X visa. It's really, for family, it's really not good. And
A video journalist from Panji, Omkar Falari.
Chairperson of Mapsa Municipal Council Ashish Shirorkar feels that tax areas in the municipal area have hampered developmental works in the city. He says that the areas are amounting to over 4 crore rupees. Shirorkar also announced that Citizens Charter will be implemented on 19th December to provide better facilities to Mapshekars.
Chairperson of Mapsa Municipal Council Ashish Shirorkar held a press conference on Tuesday. He has appealed to the people to clear all tax areas as soon as possible.
आयजच्या दिसा आमकां म्हापसा नगरपालिकेक येणे जे आसा ते कांय न्ही म्हणल्यार 4,37,00,000 रुपया जे आसा 4,37,00,000 रुपयाचे येणे आसा आमचे. त्यामुळे हो विशय खूब व्हडलो जाल्लो आसा. सगळ्या राहणाऱ्या रहिवाशांक खातीर नोटीस काडल्या की जी पेंडींग एरियाज आसात किंवा हाऊस टॅक्स पावती जी भरूंक जाय ती बेगिना बेगीन भरचें म्हूण. कारण नाल्यार म्युनिसिपॅलिटीच्या एक्टा प्रमाणे ते त्वरीत तेजेर एक्शन घेतली वयतली. सिटीजन चार्टर 2004 वर्सान रेडी केल्लो आसा, फक्त एडॉप्ट करूंक ना. आतां येणाऱ्या 8-10 दिसां भितर 19 डिसेंबराच्या निमित्तान आमी हो सिटीजन चार्टर एडॉप्ट करपाक सोदतात आनी 19 डिसेंबराच्यान एडॉप्ट जातलो सिटीजन चार्टर.
A report of Mapsa, Sham Sundar Fatte.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.